2015 and newer Chevy Colorado wheel brake replacement. Let's start by removing the brake rotor retaining screw. Is it ready? Now let's compress the caliper. By the way, guys, for this job, no skin tool is required. It's a regular brake. We compress the caliper with a screwdriver like this. Caliper is compressed. Now let's remove the caliper bolt. It is 2 12mm. Just like that. Bolt number 1 and bolt number 2. There it is. So let's remove the caliper. Now let's take the brake pad out. There. Now let's remove those two 80mm for the caliper bracket bolt. Alright. There it is. Now let's remove our brake hardware off the caliper bracket so we can clean it up. Now let's take our rotor off. We're gonna use a hammer like this to tap it so you can take it out. I think it's loose now. On some rotors you have to clean it with some brake cleaner. You spray it so you can remove the rust protection. But in the case of that one, it doesn't really have a rust protection. It's some kind of oily stuff that's all over it. On that one you don't have to, but you need to do that really with something like this, a brake cleaner. Put a brake rotor screw in. Now I'm going to clean the caliper bracket. You can use the wire brush for it, but I'm gonna use a cookie wheel to this so I can clean it up. Alright. Our caliper all clean. Now we are about to re-grease our caliper pin. Both of them. We need to re-grease them. Calipers re-grease, right? As you guys can see. Now I'm going to put the brake hardware in. There it is. It's in. Now we are about to put the caliper bracket bolt in. Now let's put our brake pad in. I put a little bit of grease on the ears so they can move freely. There it is. Same thing in the back. There it is. Good. So we're about to put our caliper in. And now let's tighten our brake screw. Same thing at the bottom. There it is, guys. There you have it. It's all done. No electronic involved. It's a regular brake job. Compress caliper and clean things up and put it back together. Literally. I'll put the link for the price in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Don't forget to pop your brake pedal before you go for a test drive.